All right, what's up, guys? So, little random video. I'm gonna be cleaning the Mini inside the interior, but this car has a new issue, and this thing's been pretty problematic, like I've mentioned to a few people, and that is basically there's no driving lights, nothing. There's headlights and high beams, but there's literally no lights. So I gotta check the fuses, but that doesn't look good because if the driving lights don't work, shouldn't the headlights not work? But yeah, so right there, and there's nothing. There should be lights. Fortunately, I have turn signals, so I am able to drive it during the day, obviously, but at night when there's only headlights and no actual driving lights, marker lights or nothing, yeah, can't do it. So I got to check out this, and then I'm gonna be changing the O2 sensor. That's gonna be coming soon. But yeah, guys, so really no updates or anything. The baby is doing good, as some of you guys know, and yeah, this one right here doing pretty good, super reliable. And yeah, this thing is still being driven, and nothing really bad besides a leak right there. I believe it's the timing chain cover, because I checked all the seals, the VTEC solenoid, the pressure switch, the vanos, not the vanos, but the VTEC solenoid. What is that thing? Something for the some solenoid that goes into the head. And yeah, everything is good, and it still leaks. So I'm assuming that it's the timing chain cover, which is gonna be a pain. But yeah, so there's the car. It's doing good. Love this thing. Love the Integra. But today I'm just gonna be cleaning this thing. This has been the daily driver, so I'm gonna take it to the vacuums and give it a quick wash. Well, actually not a wash, because I kind of maintain it, but gonna give it a good cleaning because this thing is filthy. But yeah, and this thing has been kind of weird, super unreliable, but at the same time reliable, because I had some type of, I made a whole video, but I had some type of weird crankshaft seal leak. And a crankshaft seal leak in a Mini Cooper causes a check engine light and a huge power loss and stumble, like it hesitates just for a seal that goes around the crankshaft. Not the crankshaft, the cam seal, my bad, a cam seal. But since then, changed the oil, I changed sensors and all this other stuff that was like popping up, like the check engine light, and that was my last code, and for some reason it went off. So yeah, the TPMS sensors, because the wheels were swapped. But yeah, so I'm gonna go get some gas and give this thing a nice cleaning. But this has been like the little daily. So yeah, guys, this is like the worst time ever getting some gas. I hate getting gas because basically that's the new normal right there. 5.29 is the new normal, quote unquote new normal. It's pretty bad, but yeah, I remember when I used to complain at 3.50 a gallon, but you know, they're just slowly conditioning us to think that $5 is cheap for a gallon. It's ridiculous. Oh, but yeah, I've been having this scanner in here because I've been having a lot of trouble, like I said, with the check engine lights. But fortunately, the check engine light has been off, so hopefully it stays off. I mean, I swapped out a lot of things that just magically failed. This car isn't really that reliable, and that was my last code, and it just shut off. So hopefully it just like resealed on that the chem. But yeah, so gotta clean this up. This is freaking filthy. I don't like having it like this. But yeah, in the back, not too bad. But yeah, there's some mats back there that I have to clean. But yeah. All right, guys, so I just got the bulk items out. Threw out a lot of trash. It's looking a lot better, but it's all that stuff that's freaking annoying. And yeah, shout out to all the people that like to keep their interiors clean, but this is like really, really bad for how I like it. All right, guys, so I got it as good as possible. Not perfect, but what is. And yeah, I've been noticing that the seat's kind of getting a little bit of wear, which sucks, but yeah, just gotta put this format. All right, I'm gonna clean up these mats real quick. There's something crusty, I believe that's like an exploded drink or something, and it just rotted in the back. All right, guys, so super satisfied with that. Only $1. Gave it a quick little wash down, and yeah. All right, guys, so looks pretty good. Not perfect, but yeah, it's doable. I gotta put the car seat back, and yeah, I'll probably include some little vlogs with the little boy. Freaking adorable. Today is the 3rd. He's exactly 2 weeks. I mean, 2 weeks. He's exactly 2 months old. It's crazy. It seemed like 6 months or 7 months. Like, time has been going slow. I don't know why, but 2 months old. And yeah, probably record some videos of him and stuff like that if you guys want to see. And more Integra content's gonna come out. Just gotta get some parts for it. But yeah, guys. All right, so I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Thanks for watching.